Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Copilot. So first of all, you just have to open your web browser, and in the search bar you will have to type copilot.microsoft.com. Once I've done that, you will be landed on the website version of Copilot. So in order to install it in your PC, you will have to navigate to the top right hand corner and you simply need to click on these three dots. Now over here you will be able to see this apps section, so you simply need to hover over to apps and then you will have to select the option of install this site as an app. After that, it will show you this type of pop-up in the top where you just have to do nothing but to just click on this install button, and as soon as you do this, this particular website will be opened as an application in your PC. Now, if you want to get Microsoft Copilot in your iOS device or in your Android device, then you will have to come to this URL, which is www.microsoft.com. Now, once you are on this page, you are going to see the option of download the Copilot app. So simply need to click on this option and then you will be redirected on this page where if you want to download Copilot for App Store, then you will have to click on download on the App Store option. But if you want to download it from Google Play Store in your Android device, then you will have to select the second option. This way you will be able to easily install Copilot in your PC as well as in your mobile device. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.